How to make money online 10 tips. Hello and welcome to this video on how to make money online 10 tips. Making money online has several benefits. Flexibility, it allows you to work from anywhere and on your own schedule. Low startup costs, many online money-making opportunities require little to no initial investment. Diversification of income, you can have multiple streams of income, which can help reduce financial risk. Unlimited earning potential, the internet is a vast market with a huge potential customer base, which means the earning potential is limitless. Personal development, many online opportunities such as creating your own product, starting a blog, or starting your own business, can help you develop new skills and improve your personal brand. Reach global audience, with internet you can reach a global audience, that can help you expand your market and grow your business. Overall, making money online can provide you with a sense of financial freedom and independence, allowing you to live and work on your own terms. Here are 10 tips to help you make money online. 1. Affiliate marketing. Partner with brands and promote their products through unique affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. 2. Selling products online. Create and sell your own products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon Handmade. You can also dropship products by partnering with a supplier who handles the manufacturing and shipping. 3. Online courses. Share your knowledge and expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. 4. Blogging. Monetize your blog through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. 5. Social media marketing. Help businesses grow their presence on social media platforms by managing their accounts and creating content. 6. Freelancing. Offer your skills as a freelancer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Popular freelance services include writing, graphic design, and web development. 7. Stock photography. Sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or iStock. 8. Virtual assistant. Provide administrative support to entrepreneurs and small business owners as a virtual assistant. 9. Online tutoring. Tutor students online in a subject you are knowledgeable in. Platforms like VipeKid connect tutors with students for one-on-one sessions. 10. Podcasting. Create a podcast and monetize it through sponsorships, advertising, and affiliate marketing. These are just some of the many ways to make money online. It's important to find something you're passionate about and willing to put in the work to make it successful. Remember that making money online takes time and effort, but with persistence and dedication, it can be a great way to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on fast learning about money.